Safe egg production in Victoria is based on good industry practice in compliance with the National Egg Standard. In this video, you will learn about collection, checking and packing of eggs. The sale of cracked and dirty eggs or unprocessed egg pulp is not allowed unless it is being supplied to an approved egg processor for further processing. To maintain safe and healthy eggs for human consumption, it is important that you provide clean, unbroken and uncracked eggs, as cracked or dirty eggs can become contaminated with bacteria, and use correct handling methods and regularly check eggs for faults. To ensure that you collect eggs safely, it is important that you collect eggs at least once a day, more often in hot weather. On collection, sort clean or lightly marked eggs into first A-grade eggs. Sort soiled eggs which can be washed into B-grade eggs, and dispose of any heavily soiled and cracked reject eggs. Separate dirty or cracked eggs into another container for cleaning or disposal. Place dirty eggs through a suitable cleaning process and discard heavily soiled and cracked leaker eggs. If eggs are not cleaned properly, bacteria can be introduced into the egg and increase the risk of contamination. It is best that eggs with minor marks are dry cleaned rather than washed. To do this properly, it is important that you clean lightly soiled eggs with a clean, dry, sanitised cloth, sanitise or dispose of cleaning cloths when soiled, and at least daily avoid cleaning soiled eggs with a damp cloth, as using the same cloth to wipe many eggs can spread bacteria between them. If you wash your eggs, wash your hands with warm soapy water for at least 20 seconds immediately after collection. Keep eggs at room temperature prior to washing. The greater the difference between the egg temperature and the wash water temperature, the greater the risk of eggs cracking and becoming contaminated. Wash water must be in the range of 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. Purchase cleaning and sanitising products for the wash water from reputable suppliers. Ensure that the washing solution is always at the correct concentration as advised by the manufacturer. Dirty egg washing solution must be replaced with a clean solution immediately. It is important that each egg is visually checked by candling for cracks and dirt so that the safety of eggs leaving the grading and packing process is assured. Equipment used in the grading process must be maintained in a clean condition to prevent the build-up of bacteria. Following sorting and washing, candle eggs and visually check them to ensure an absence of cracks and any other faults, such as thin shells. Rejected eggs should be either A. disposed of through an appropriate waste disposal mechanism, or B. sent to a processor for further processing. Thoroughly clean the grading, packaging floor and equipment after use. To prevent recontamination and damage to the eggs, it is important that you clean egg packing facilities, packing units and equipment regularly, keep eggs dry prior to packing, and pack eggs in clean cartons or trays. To recap, the best practice of the collection, checking and packing of eggs requirements of the standard are to follow the standard, maintain a clean and safe environment, keep eggs clean and dry, including egg packing equipment, and frequently and thoroughly collect and check eggs. For further information about meeting your responsibilities to collection, checking and packing of eggs requirements of the standard, visit agriculture.vic.gov.au.